Hello students, hope you are fine and doing your studies. Today I am going to revise significant figures. First let us understand what is meaning of significant figure. You know that physics is science of measurement. Let us suppose some wooden block is being measured by ordinary scale. Ordinary scale means the scale used by you. See the length of the block. The length is lying between 2.5 centimeter and 2.6 centimeter. As least count of the scale is up to 1 decimal place, so you cannot write this measurement in more than 1 decimal places. So either you write 2.5 centimeter or 2.6 centimeter. But see clearly, both the values are not fully correct. So you are very sure about digit 2, but digit 5 or 6 are doubtful. So confirmed digit and first doubtful digit taken together is called significant figure. I suppose you are understanding. Confirmed digit and first doubtful digit taken together called significant figures. There are certain rules of finding significant figures. Rules are very simple, given in your book with example. I hope you are going through, but for revision purpose I am revising. All non-zero digits are significant. If you are getting non-zero digits in a measurement, all the digits are supposed to be significant. Zeros between non-zero digits are significant. Suppose length of a body comes out to be 2004 centimeter. 2004 centimeter. Then zeros between 2 and 4 are significant. So total significant digits in this measurement will be 4. Zeros towards right of non-zero digits without decimal are not significant unless measured. In this value, these two zeros are not significant. So it has only 3 significant figures. But if this value comes out by some measurement like this, you have taken some measurement and then you are doing calculation, and in calculation you are getting this value. So in that condition, these two zeros are considered significant. All the zeros to the right of non-zero digits but left of decimal are significant. These zeros are coming after decimal point, so this value has only 5 significant figures. All the zeros to the right of decimal are significant. 56.00, so zeros coming after decimal are significant. So total significant digits are 4. Similarly, this value also has 4 significant figures. Zeros to the right of decimal but before non-zero digit are not significant. Think carefully. This 0 is not significant. Non-zero digits, before digits 0 is coming after decimal, so in such condition this 0 is not considered as significant. So this value has only 3 significant figures. If numbers are written in scientific notation like this type of representation is called scientific representation, scientific notation. In such conditions, number of significant figures will be 2. Only this value is considered. Here number of significant figures 2. Here number of significant figures 3. These significant figures are decided on the basis of previous rules. Now let us understand significant figures in addition and subtraction. Result is rounded off to least accurate value. Least accurate value means listen to me once more. When value is represented in scientific notation, significant figures are found on the basis of this value. So this value has 2 significant figures and this value has 3 significant figures. Now let us understand addition and subtraction. The result is rounded off to least accurate value. Least accurate value means the value having less decimal places, least decimal places. Let us suppose 3 values are added. 3 significant figures, 4 significant figures, 2 significant figures. The addition comes out to be 29.784, but the result is rounded off as 29.8. Same rule is applied in case of subtraction. Now let us understand multiplication and division. When you have to multiply 2 numbers or more than 2 numbers, the number having more decimal places is rounded off such that it has one more significant figure than the number having least significant figure. So here 4.3 has 2 significant figures and this value has 4 significant figures. So it is rounded off to 3 significant figures, one more than this. Then you multiply. Multiplication gives this result. Now least significant figure is 2 digits. So result must carry only 2 significant figures. I suppose you are understanding. And this method of finding significant figure is applicable to division also. Students, now let us understand rounding off. There are rules of rounding off. You please try to understand, and these rules are given in the book also, you can go through. First rule, digits to be dropped is less than 5. Preceding digit remains unchanged. Example 3.454, and you want to round off this value up to 2 decimal place. This value less than 5, so 5 remains unchanged and rounded off value will be 3.45. Second, digit to be dropped is more than 5, then preceding digit increases by 1. See the example, 3.458, you want to round off up to 2 decimal places. This value is more than 5, so 5 increases by 1, so value 3.46. Third rule, digit to be dropped is 5, followed by 0. Preceding digit increases by 1 if odd, no change if even. C. 0 is coming after 5 in both these values, and before 5 we are having 7 odd value. Here we are having 8 even value. So after rounding off, this value will increase by 1. So it comes out to be 3.48, and it is even value, so there is no change. So value remains 3.48 only. Now the last rule is digit to be dropped is 5, followed by non-zero digits. Then preceding digit is increased by 1. Whether odd or even. See the example. You have to round off up to 2 decimal places. After 5 we are having non-zero digits. So this 8 will increase by 1, and this 7 will also increase by 1. Here odd or even you will not think. Students, now I am going to explain order of magnitude. You know that number is written in scientific notation like this, n into 10 to the power x. Now you have to check that n is under root 10, that is 3.16 or less. If n is less than 3.16, order of magnitude will remain same, that is 10 to the power x. For example, 2.45 into 10 to the power 12, this value is less than 3.16, so order of magnitude will remain 10 to the power 12 only. But if n is greater than under root 10, that is 3.16, 1 is added to the power of 10. So order becomes 10 to the power x plus 1. For example, suppose a number is written as 9.5 into 10 to the power minus 25. So this 9.5 is more than 3.16. So 1 is added to minus 25. So order becomes 10 to the power minus 25 plus 1, that is 10 to the power minus 24. Students, keep studying. Some portions have been removed in new syllabus because of lockdown. So before starting your study, you are requested to go through the new syllabus and accordingly you do study. All these portions have been already explained in previous videos. In those videos, those portions are also there which are out of syllabus now. So you have to leave those portions and only those portions you have to study which are in your syllabus. I hope you are understanding my message. God bless you. Keep studying. Best of luck, students.